Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn any image into a realistic talking AI video using DID in just few minutes. So let's get started. Firstly, open your browser. Here you will search for DID and press enter. Here is the first platform did.com. Once it's open, sign up using your email ID for better results. Here you will see the interface. Scroll down. Here you will see create a video. Click on this, create a video. To use this website, you have good internet connection. Click on create a video. Here you will see it will open a new tab. Here you will see it will loading the home page. If you want to create a avatar, you can create by this. If you have your own, you can go to avatar video. Here you will search for template, like I am choosing this. Then click on add all scenes or add selected one. Now here you will see script. In the script section, you will write your script like welcome to hi text 2024. Then here you will see it will speak which will written on the script. Also you can change the voice from there, like you have voice plans. If you want to change your background,
HiTech's
you can change your
2024 Yearly
background
Report.
or
Join us as we highlight a year of innovation.
create your own photo. After all, then you can click on generate video. It will generate video successfully. That's it. That's how to create talking AI photo using DID. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.